Hey guys, Keith Rainville here, the Fat Yankee again, my friends. So we're going to slice up our beef jerky here, our steaks. We got about 14 pounds of Black Angus steaks here. We just sliced up, and we are going to now slice this 1/4 inch thick to make our beef jerky with, okay? So I've got here to my right a Lems commercial grade slicer. Everyone always asks me where I got this. I got it from Cabela's. You can actually get it from lemsdirect.com as well. And it is a 0.35, again, horsepower. They make this unit all the way up to 1.5 horsepower. So I don't know what on God's green earth you would need something like that for, but you know, maybe put it on the go-kart and the kids' go-kart afterwards. But this is all you need, 0.35 or even a 0.25. This has literally cut thousands of pounds of beef for us, and it without issue, okay? So guys, I'm gonna get into this, slice up this beef for beef jerky. And I'm going to put this on. It's going to get a little noisy here, but I'm going to show you the nice thick cuts, slices we have. And let's get this thing rolling, okay? We're all locked up. All right. All right, we just put our steaks through the top just like this. And you look how fast this thing just blazes through this stuff. Guys, look how nice these thick slices are. About a 1/4 inch thick. We're going to lose some of this thickness. Now, you see how I have to just gingerly pull this apart. Now, here's the thing. If you have these blades in the wrong way on this Lems slicer, this will not slice like this. So just be aware of that. That is the issue. Your blades are in wrong. Okay? Here we go. Now always, again, we're going to try to cut this against the grain. You see, that's the grain there. I'm cutting it against it. And now here we go. Now that'll just make your beef jerky a little bit more tender. Alright? So again, we got about 14 pounds here, guys. And I've been doing this long enough where I know how to put this stuff in and put it in against the grain. Alright? There we are. Just like that. See that grain there? Just like that. Bingo. Just like that. Again, grain is going this way, so I put my steak in just like that. Some of these smaller pieces, I really don't bother looking at the grain. Just throw them in there, get them chopped up nice. A few more pieces here, guys. That's it. We're going to shut this thing off. Let me grab my paper towel, wipe my hands so I don't get my machine all dirty. Just make sure you don't go putting your fingers in any parts of this machine, or you'll have a bad day, that's for sure. Alright, guys. So this is my beef jerky slices I've got here. And if you take a look at this, look how nice these slices are. A 1/4 inch thick. Again, nice thick slices. And we're going to marinate this for 24 hours, guys. Now, we used to do 6-pound batches, but for our videos now, we're only doing 2-pound batches. So, again, just do the multiplication if you are getting into this professionally. You know, just do a little bit bigger batches. If you do 2-pound batches, you're going to be there all day. So, make sure your batches are a little bit bigger. But guys, this is the Lems slicer, and this is a little bit about how we cut up our meat at the Fat Yankee here. And I hope you like the video, guys. If you do, please subscribe to the channel and support us. You know, these videos obviously do take some time, and we love to encourage craft beef jerky makers and teach them, you know, along the way, because there's no one out there doing that right now. So please subscribe to the video, guys. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, guys, and join our craft beef jerky group, okay? Thanks for watching.